Hey guys, Chris with Blind TV. How's everybody doing today? Man, Oklahoma wind. It's howling today. Beautiful weather though. It's like 78, 79 degrees. Yesterday it was 100. Crazy. Uh, Something I wanted to talk with you guys about or explain or show you guys something that I've kind of mentioned a couple times in the videos, but never really gotten to show you guys real clear, real well on what's going or what I did. So again, I have installed 5-point harnesses into my rig. I have 4 points. These are the Dragonfire 3-inch padded. Wonderful. I love them. Very comfortable. I don't have a problem. Problem is that they like to ride up because I don't have anything strapped down here. Well, I got a hold of a Dragonfire. Kevin hooked me up, and I appreciate it very much. And here it is, guys. This is my 5-point. Now, I did these, and I sat and looked, and I've watched videos, and I've done a lot of videos, and I've seen nobody shows how they install a 5-point harness. It's either you bolt it in or you have aftermarket seats, and I don't have aftermarket seats yet. One of these days I will, and it'd be awesome. But until then, I'm running with the Stalkers. And so it's difficult to do it on the passenger side because there's a gas tank. It's hard to find it. You can't find a tab or a metal frame support or something like that that you can bolt in. And if you want to bolt it in, it's offset, and that's going to be uncomfortable. Well, this is the solution I come up with. And I thought about this, and I'm like, yeah, man, this is a great place. And this is what it is, guys. I took this grommet out right here. Took the belt, fed it through there, and you can adjust it still. It's still got room. And I looped it through, and I tied it in right there on my frame. This is part of the seat. It's not coming out. These bolts come out, you're going with the seat. It is very well still. There it is. So this, and then it'll hook into my 5-point, and I have it adjusted for me, and I have safety. And I did this on both sides. This took literally 5 minutes. Let's say 10 at the most. No tools. Didn't break a sweat. Didn't have to think too hard on it. To set in and do a 5-point harness on here, and now I feel a lot better. And my seat doesn't pop off. When I sit in there, it rides comfortable. It's dead center where I need it to be, and it's beautiful. I wanted to show you guys that and kind of give you more in detail about what I'm doing on that, or what I did with that. Got to clean her up. She's a little on the dirty side. Been riding, ride season, and I got some projects, big projects I'm gonna be doing this weekend or next. For sure by next weekend I'll be after my daughter graduates. It's gonna be a humongous project and stuff like that. And then I know I've had some comments about the Nerf bars. Well, those are home built. They have taken a beating, and they have proven themselves time and time again. And, the winch and everything's still in good shape right there. I did add a roller fairlead on the outside. And I put a regular fairlead on the inside because I was cutting rope because this metal, I just didn't file it down enough, or it was too sharp. So I put a roller on the out and bump stop and stuff like that. And, she's still tried and true and running 90-0 great. She does great, man. She's a ripper. So guys, I hope this kind of informational for you guys on if you ever want to put 5 points in a stock machine, you can do it. No tools, and it's safe, and it works great. So hope you guys are enjoying your time. Stay safe, be cool, man. Live for something or die for nothing. I can't see. Blind guy out.